Hello everybody, my name is Megan. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're tuning in, welcome back. Don't mind the hot mess around me. We're just working with it today. If you cannot spell the title of today's video, this is going to be my end of 2023 closet clean out. I guess real fast, if you are returning, I'm brunette now. Hey, I've been blonde. Also, background's a little different. I painted my room over the summer, wanted a video about it, didn't get to it. Whole thing. Life happens. It's fine, but we're back, we're here, we're having fun. I'm also gonna have to stop this in about an hour because I do have a hair appointment, and then I'm gonna come back and get through the rest of my closet, hopefully. But yeah, so honestly, just the way like my closet's kind of set up, it's kind of awkward to go around like show y'all each individual drawer for like what it currently is. So right now I took some pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and post them up on the screen so y'all can see what we're working with to begin with. It's not bad, but it's also not good considering the fact that I have like 3 or 4 clean loads of laundry and there's not much space. At one point in time, well actually, please hold. This is things I've already gone through and decided I'm getting rid of. So it was worse at one point in time and it's not much better right now. It's fine, we're gonna get through it, it'll be fun. The way that I'm gonna divide these up is things that I'm keeping, things that I'm getting rid of. But then within the things I'm getting rid of, I have a bag from ThredUp, which is a brand that is like an online resale. I'm sure most of y'all have heard of it, so I have their Cleanout bag, and basically anything that I think like might be worth something that nobody, like none of my friends want, I'll send to ThredUp and they will resell it. I might get a commission off it, I might not, I'm not too stressed. I also have a bag from 4 Days, it's called their trashy bag, and that one is like any sort of fabric waste, so like underwear, socks, whatever it is, they take it, they sanitize it, they mill it down, and then they rework it into fabric and use it in rugs and stuff like that, so that way we are eliminating some of the landfill waste from clothing. I'm also gonna go ahead and like offer some stuff to my friends, like cheap, like, you know, no more than 15 bucks for like anything, because at this point in my mind all this stuff is a sunk cost. It'd be nice to get some money back, but I'm really not stressed about it. Like, here we are. It's gonna cause me a lot more like anger and stuff if I try to like sit here and sell it all on Poshmark. So with that being said, I think I'm honestly just gonna start pulling out piles of clothes, tossing them on my bed, and just kind of dividing and conquering from there. But we'll get through that together. So without further ado, let's go and jump into the video.
Heartbroken from pressure. All I need is someone to stand by. Said all I need is one more sleepless night.
Okay, this just seemed easier than trying to figure it out vlog style. I think this is everything aside from like, I know I have like a jacket or two downstairs, and like I have some stuff in my car. So I think that other than that, which like those are keeps, this is everything. I've gone through all my laundry. I brought up all my loads from downstairs in the basement, like my laundry, like washes. I've took everything out of my drawers with the exception of like underwear, bras, socks. I was gonna do that stuff like after the fact. When I was sorting out my laundry, which was those piles that I was bringing in, all that stuff I just like threw into the corner. So I have it divided up into keeps, maybes, and getting rid of. And I have a few maybes. I want to get rid of most of them, but we'll see. I have slight hoarder tendencies when it comes to clothing. So with that being said, this is everything that is a for sure get rid of. It doesn't look like too much, but again, this bag is pretty much full, and like there is a lot of shit like under here. Like there's a lot of stuff. So I'm very happy with myself on that. This is all of my keeps. It's a lot. There is some stuff though that I know for sure like I would get rid of in like a year or two, but I do GA at a university, so I do have to have a lot of like my gear and stuff like that. But yeah, so all that stuff is in here. It's a lot. I know that it's a lot. Let's get a good little like 360 view. Like there's a lot of stuff in here. And then like this area is also keeps. That is my maybes. I'm gonna go through and then like that's like my bras, underwear, socks, and stuff that I pulled out of the clean laundry. So I think, I don't know if I want to like put this stuff away and start like organizing this and then go through my maybes. I think that's probably my best bet, because then I can like figure out what I have space for and what I really want to keep. So I think I'm gonna do that, but my alarm is going off right now. Not that y'all can see it, but I do have to get ready for my hair appointment. So I'm gonna leave all this as is for now. And then I will come back to it at probably like 2:30 because my hair appointment's supposed to take a couple hours. So I'll see y'all then. Alright, so I am back. My hair's done. Darker, shorter, significantly darker, but we're having fun with it. I pulled out, I realized I had some like scarves, hats, like stuff like that, and like bathing suits that I hadn't touched yet, so I went ahead and pulled those out. And I think I'm at the point where I'm just gonna sort those and then figure out how I'm getting all of this folded and put back into my closet. So let's get going.
Your gaze upon my shoulders, I'll go. Heartbroken from the pressure. All I need is someone to stand by. Said all I need is one more sleepless night.
So my camera battery did die a hot minute ago. I'm just drained, y'all. I still have to go through my maybes and then figure out how exactly I'm sorting out my no pile, but everything is starting to look pretty good. Just doing a little check-in and let's get back into it. Alright, so I was gonna go through my maybes. That's the last time we chatted. And then I got really overwhelmed and I asked my roommate to come do it for me. So she was up here going through my maybes and being like, absolutely yes, absolutely no, I think you should keep this, give it another try, whatever it was she had to say. So yeah, we've gone through every single piece of clothing that I own. And I'm kind of pumped, kind of excited, kind of jazzed, kind of terrified of now I have this giant pile of clothes behind me that I have to figure out what to do with. So with that being said, let's go through it a little bit. So this is everything, and I mean, it's like, it's dense. There's like, it's a pile, man. So what I'm not looking forward to is having to now go through this and sort it. But you know what? Gotta do it. So here we are. And then let's go ahead. I didn't really take y'all through here earlier, but bottom is my jeans. I could probably stand to like drop 1 or 2 more pairs, but it's fine for now. I'm not gonna press it. And then that's like shorts and skirts. That one is like tank tops. That one is, or sorry, tank tops are like athletic material. That one is non-athletic material tank tops. That is going out tops. That is going out bodysuits. And then that one over there is bodysuits, but like just regular like day-to-day I'd wear them to the office, not necessarily for going out. So let's go ahead and jump in here. I think I took a picture of this before. I don't remember. If I did, I'll post it on the screen, but this is what it looks like after. Honestly, it's pretty the same. Like most of these things are things that I wear all the time anyway, so this wouldn't really have changed much. That is the pile of shoes that I'm getting rid of. That is a box that I've been hiding from you guys the entire time, but now we see it. It just has random shit in it. I need to go through it. Okay, so anyway, this is all my shoes now. I think I'm missing 1 pair. They're downstairs. They're outside, actually. But I didn't really do much with the shoes as far as what outside here is concerned, but all of these shoes were sitting in the bottom down here, and now I have it down to those for like my work heels. Oops. Oh, jeez. And then I have a pair of boots, a couple pairs of boots in here. And then honestly, I feel like the biggest notice, at least for me, is maybe in here. I feel like I just have more room to like move things around. Maybe I don't. I don't know. I'll get that all situated nice, and then I will, I think I attached a picture of the inside of here. I think I took one earlier, so anyway, even though it probably looks about the same, I can definitely move things around, so I'm happy with that. And then Just going in through here a little bit. This drawer was before all my shirts, like long sleeve and short sleeve, but now it is just long sleeves. And then this is all of my leggings and like my school stuff. Honestly, I can probably stand to get rid of more pairs of leggings, but I'm proud of myself for now. I got rid of a lot of leggings not too long ago, so we're just gonna rock with it for now. This is pajamas and just like comfy things. Again, do I need this many? No, but we're taking baby steps, and so this is where we are currently. Down here is all sweatpants and some sweatshirts. So before it was like sweatpants and just like random stuff on the other side. It definitely feels more compact. I could stand to get rid of a few sweatshirts, but it's fine for now. So yeah, that is sweatshirts and sweatpants. And then in here is all sweatshirts as well. And then this drawer is now pretty damn empty, and it's literally just my long or my short sleeve like t-shirts. So yeah. Let's flip this bad boy around. This is not my flattering lighting, but that's okay. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd appreciate if you give it a thumbs up down below and left a comment as well. Maybe subscribe if you feel inclined to do so. If you want to see more of me in the future, I'm going to try to get back onto a schedule. But my life has been really crazy, but I think that now it's all finally like settled down and will be great. So yeah, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe down below and came back for more later. But with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one.